Welcome to Housekeeping Master. If you have ever felt like your kitchen cabinets are a chaotic disaster zone where you have to move 3 pots just to get to a single pan, then today is your lucky day. We are taking a deep dive into the Carote 19-piece detachable handle cookware set. This is not just a bunch of pots and pans, it is a complete organizational strategy for your kitchen. Let us start with the core feature that makes this set stand out, which is the detachable handle system. The ability to click the handle off and stack these pans inside one another is a total game changer. You are looking at saving up to 70% of your storage space. This is a dream for people living in apartments, tiny homes, or those of you who frequently take your cooking gear on the road in an RV. The handles themselves feel surprisingly robust. They offer a secure grip and handle weight well, so you never feel like you are going to drop your dinner while transferring from the stove to the oven or even directly to the dining table. Speaking of versatility, this set is a multitasker. Because the handles come off, you can use these pieces as dinnerware as well. You can cook in the pan, take off the handle, and serve directly from it. Since the bottom is spray-coated, you do not have to worry about that annoying black residue that often ruins the bottom of other pans after a few cycles in the dishwasher. Speaking of which, yes, they are dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup significantly easier for busy families. The cooking performance is solid across the board. The heat transfer is rapid and even, so you do not get those annoying cold spots that cause uneven browning. Whether you are searing a steak or simmering a delicate sauce, the non-stick performance is top-notch. It is compatible with all cooktops, including Induction, which is a big plus. Inside the 19-piece set, you get everything you need including fry pans, saucepans, a large sauté pan, silicone lids, fridge storage lids, and even pan protectors and utensils to keep your gear in pristine condition. Now let us weigh the pros and cons. On the pro side, the space-saving design is truly unmatched. The flexibility of moving from the stovetop to the oven and then to the fridge with the included storage lids is incredibly convenient. The build quality feels sturdy and the non-stick coating is impressive. On the con side, you have to be mindful not to lose the detachable handles, because without them, you are cooking with a very hot bowl. Also, while the system is convenient, some users might miss the feeling of a fixed handle if they are used to professional-style heavy-duty kitchen gear. In conclusion, the Carote 19-piece set is a brilliant solution for anyone looking to declutter their kitchen without sacrificing cooking performance. It is well thought out, durable, and highly versatile. If you are ready to upgrade your kitchen organization and cooking routine, this set is definitely worth a look. Link in the description.